Hello students, good morning. So let us continue with the ray optics questions. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ questions discuss ಮಾಡಿ last ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು last year previous year questions ಅನ್ನ discuss ಮಾಡೋಣ ಆಯ್ತಾ. So yesterday we have started with ray optics related to the eye and the defect of the eye. We have completed some of the questions. Yes. Then how many number of images are formed when two plane mirrors are kept with some angles, that also we have discussed. So today we are going to discuss the next question. So here is our next question. A plane mirror makes an angle of 30 degree with the horizontal. So here ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು, that is the plane mirror is making the angle 30 degree with the horizontal. If a vertical ray strikes the mirror, find the angle between mirror and the reflected ray. So they are asking you to calculate the angle of reflection. So angle of reflection anna keltidare avaru illi, hauda? So how to calculate the angle of reflection? We know that according to that is laws of reflection, we know that angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Yes, we know that angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. hauda? So what will be the answer here? So before going to give the answer, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವೇನ್ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, here they are saying that the angle is made with the horizontal. The angle is made with the horizontal. Yes, that is how much angle it is. It is 30 degree. So you can consider that is, if you draw the surface here, so this is the normal drawn. With this, the angle is how much? This angle is 30 degree. They are saying here. Then what is the angle of incidence? We know that the angle of incidence is, it is the angle between the, that is the incident ray and the normal drawn. With the incident ray and the normal drawn here. Okay. So here with the horizontal, whatever the angle it is making, it is 30 degree. So what is this angle here? This total angle is 90 degree. How the total angle is 90 degree. So 90 minus 30 is equal to how much? It is 60 degree. Yes. So your angle of incidence is, it is 60 degree. So according to laws of reflection, the angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Therefore, answer C. Option C is correct here. Option C is correct. Angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. That is 60 degree we are going to get. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, they have given the angle 30 degree. So without reading the questions properly, you will mark it as 30 degree. So ಆ ತಪ್ಪನ್ನ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Here the angle is 60 degree. How it comes, I told you. Okay, the next question. If an observer is walking away from the plane mirror with 6 meters per second, then the velocity of the image with respect to observer will be. So what will be the velocity of the image with respect to the observer? ನಿನ್ನೆ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂತ ಇತ್ತು, the observer is moving towards the mirror. So that time the velocity of the image ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, twice ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So suppose if it is given as 30, the image speed will be 60. But here what is happening, the observer is moving away from the plane mirror. So mirror ಇಂದ away, ದೂರ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ observer. ಆವಾಗ image ಎಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Yes. So see here how we can do this one. So D, Anand is saying D, Damini is saying C. Okay students, so here what we need to do is, that is, suppose 6 meter per second is what, with that speed the observer is moving away from that. So as he is going away from the plane mirror, here minus sign will come. If he is moving towards the plane mirror, it will be plus, but as he is moving away, therefore it will be minus here. Then minus of minus 6 we will get. Okay, so therefore here the answer is how much? It is 12 meter. Minus into minus is plus, that is 12 meter per second. Option C is correct here. Option C is the right answer. Okay. Then the next question. So here is your next question. A man runs towards a mirror at a speed of 15 meter per second. What is the speed of his image? Yes. Yes, correct. That is option C, 30 meter per second. It is 30 meter per second. Okay, this is the similar question. Then the next question. A small object is placed 10 centimeter in front of a plane mirror. Okay. Next, if you stand behind this object 30 centimeter from the mirror and look at its image, the distance focused for the eye will be. So here, let us draw the rough diagram to understand this question. So, that is here a small object is placed 10 centimeter of a plane mirror. So, object to matte mirror ige, object matte mirror ige. How much is the distance here? The distance is 10 centimeter. Next, if you stand behind the mirror, behind the object. So this is object, this is mirror. If you are standing behind the object, ಎಷ್ಟು distance ಅಲ್ಲಿ, that is 30 centimeter distance ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Okay, from the mirror. So here from the mirror it is 30 centimeter. And look at its image. The distance focused for your eye will be. So what is the answer? Yes, very good. It is C, that is 40 centimeters. So very simple question. It is C, 40 centimeter. Okay. So if you cover these questions fast, then we can go for the previous year questions. Then the next question, an object is at a distance of 0.5 meter in front of a plane mirror. Distance between the object and the image is. So ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಮಿರರ್ ಇದೆ, ಮಿರರ್ ಇಂದ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ದ ಇಮೇಜ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ. ಸೊ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ, 0.5 ಮೀಟರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಇಮೇಜ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ದ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದ ಇಮೇಜ್. ಸಿ ಮಿರರ್ ಇಂದ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ 0.5 ಮೀಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಿರರ್ ಇಂದ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಕೂಡ 0.5 ಮೀಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಮೇಜಿಗೆ? It is 1 meter. It is 1 meter. Yes. Okay. Correct. Very good. That is option C is right here. Next question. A man runs towards a mirror at a speed 15 meter per second. The speed of the image relative to the man is. A man runs towards a mirror at a speed of 15 meter per second. Yes. So again, this is a repeated question. So similarly, you can solve this. I'll go for the next question now. Yes. Okay. So next question nodana. Idenide nodi. The light reflected by a plane mirror may form a real image. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಿರರ್ ಇಂದ ಲೈಟ್ ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ರಿಯಲ್ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಹೌದಾ? If the rays incident on the mirror are diverging, if the rays incident on the mirror are converging, if the object is placed very close to the mirror, under no circumstances, yes, the light reflected by a plane mirror may form a real image. Real image antandre enu? That is, you are able to catch the image on the screen anta. Hauda? Screen mele image form agtiddaga navu adanna real image anta ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. So here option B is right, students. Option B. Anybody is giving the answer? Yes. Purvi, Damini, very good. That is option B is correct. That is, if the rays incident on the mirror are converging, then it is a real image. Then the next question. Guru Siddhi is correct. A plane mirrors are inclined at an angle of 72 degrees. The number of images of a point object placed between them will. So, idhar mele ನಾವು ನಿನ್ನೆ questions ಅನ್ನ ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ. The number of images formed here. It is formula is what? 360 divided by theta. Theta ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ? 72 degree ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Yes, the number of images. So 360 divided by theta means 72. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ even ಬಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು -1 ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕಂತ ನಾವು ನಿನ್ನೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. If you are getting odd, then you can keep it as it is. Yes. Okay, it is. So 360 divided by n minus 1. Yes, Harshita, Abhishek, it is right. So that is option C is correct here. Option C is correct. Okay. Then the next question. So here is our next question. A man of length h requires a mirror to see his own complete image of length at least equal to. Andre, for example, one person height 6 feet ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಅವನದು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಲೆಂತ್ ಅದು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಮಿರರ್ ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ವೆದರ್ ವಿ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವನದು ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಹೈಟ್ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕಾಗತ್ತಾ 1/3 or 1/2 or the same height. Yes, very good. Correct here, students. That is option C is correct. That is h/2. ನಮ್ದು ಏನ್ ಹೈಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅದರದ್ದು ಹಾಫ್ ಸೈಜ್ ಮಿರರ್ ಇದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ನಮ್ದು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಹೈಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಬಹುದು. By adjusting the position, we can observe the complete height here. Yes. Then the next question. Two plane mirrors are at 45 degree to each other. If an object is placed between them, then the number of images will be. So again, it is based on the number of images question. Yes, so this you can do it as a work. I'll go for the next question now. So my next question is based on rays and the optical instrument. So here we are discussing the refraction of light at a plane. So refraction at a light at a plane, we are discussing the questions. Okay, here is my first question. To an observer on the earth, the stars appear to twinkle. Howda? Now yavaga stars and observe ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, we observe that they are shining here, they are twinkling. This can be described to the fact that stars do not emit light continuously. Then here the frequent absorption of the starlight by their own atmosphere. Option C, a frequent absorption of starlight by the Earth's atmosphere. And option D, the refractive index fluctuations in the Earth's atmosphere. Why we see the stars are twinkling? So idanna ನೀವು 10th ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಯಾಕೆ stars twinkle but planets do not twinkle or do not shine here? Here the correct option is, as we know that our atmosphere, our Earth atmosphere is consisting of different layers here. So as the layer is changing, the refractive index value is also changing. The refractive index value is changing here. It is not option C, it is option D. The refractive index fluctuations in the Earth atmosphere, therefore we observe the twinkling here. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. Yes. Then the next question. The ratio of the refractive index of red light to blue light in air is. So here they are asking you the ratio of the lights. The ratios they are asking here. What ratio they are asking? That is the ratio of refractive indexes of the red light and the blue light. That too, it is in the air. whether it is less than unity and less than 1 or equal to 1 agatta or greater than 1. Yes, or it is less than as well as greater than unity depending upon the experimental arrangement. Kumar is saying less than 1, Damini A, Chandana C, Lohit A. Yes. Okay. It is A that is less than unity. It is A that is less than unity. A option is right, students. A correct agide, aita. The next question, the refractive index of a piece of transparent quartz is the greatest for yadu refractive index value ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Red light, violet light, then the green light, yellow light. Very good. Purvi, Harshita. Yes. Sinchana, Lohit. So everybody knows the answer. That is violet light. It is a violet light here. So violet light is having the highest refractive index. Then the next question, the refractive index of a certain glass is 1.5 for light whose wavelength in vacuum is 6000 angstrom. The wavelength of this light when it passes through glass is, yes. Namge ಏನು calculate ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿದೆ, that is the wavelength of the light when it passes through the glass we need to calculate. Yes, so many students are getting the answer. Here to calculate the wavelength of this light when it passes through the glass, it is given by lambda divided by Ken. So what is lambda here? Lambda value is 6000. So 6000 divided by N. That is refractive index. $4,000, correct. So option A is correct here. Option A is correct. Okay. Then the next question. Light travels from one medium to the other of which the refractive index is different, then which of the following will change? So the refraction phenomena takes place. So the light is traveling from one medium to the other medium. The refractive index is different, then the following will change. Frequency, wavelength, velocity, or frequency and wavelength. C option is frequency and velocity. Then fourth option is wavelength and velocity. Very good. Chandru, Abhishek, Chandana, Lakshmi. So Damini, yes, everyone right. It is, that is option D, Vidya. That is wavelength and velocity. Here the wavelength and velocity both will change when the refraction phenomena is taking place. Then here is our next question. A light wave has a frequency of 4 into 10 to 14 hertz and a wavelength of 5 into 10 to -7 meter in a medium. The refractive index of the medium is, so frequency is given, wavelength is given, calculate the refractive index. Yes, already I told you just now the formula, you can try with that. So what is the answer? Yes. It is A 1.5. It is A, option A 1.5. So our next question now. How much water should be filled in a container 21 centimeter in height so that it appears half filled? So that it appears half filled when viewed from the top of the container. So given the refractive index as 4/3. Yes. How to do this one? So we will solve this. That is, the height is taken as the total height if it is h. So total height, I'll consider it as h. Therefore, the remaining height will be h minus 21. It will be h minus 21. Okay. So we can use the formula, that is real depth divided by the apparent depth. So what is real depth here? The real depth is h. What is the apparent depth? The apparent depth is taken as, sorry, it is 21 minus h. It is 21 minus h, which is equal to refractive index value. So the formula is real depth divided by apparent depth, which is equal to the refractive index. Refractive index 4/3 and rest baratte 1.33 anta baratte. Hauda? So if you simplify here the h value, correct. Yes, Lakshmi. It is option C, 12 centimeter. It is option C, 12 centimeter. Very good. Okay, the formula is, I'll repeat the formula. It is real depth divided by apparent depth, which is equal to the refractive index. According to that, simplify. Yes, Viresh, option C is right here. Let us go for the next question. Light of different colors propagates through air. So what is happening? Light ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? It is traveling. Different colors. It is traveling through air. So options are with the velocity of air, with the different velocities, with the velocity of sound, having the equal velocities. So ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ color idru kuda when it is traveling through the air. Yes, very good everyone. Amruta, Damini, Chandana, very good. That is, adi yavade color irli, when it is propagating through air, they are having the equal velocities. They are having the equal velocities. So option D is 100% correct. Next question. Monochromatic light is refracted from air into the glass of refractive index mu. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? Monochromatic light. So monochromatic light means what? So monochromatic light ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? They are having the same frequencies ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. Okay. So air to glass the refractive index mu ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. The ratio of wavelength of incident and the refracted waves is, okay, many students are saying the option A. ಹೇಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ. That is, so I'll consider the ratio of wavelength of incident and the refracted wave. That is, according to Snell's law, it is sin I by sin R. It is sin I by sin R is equal to mu. So the mu andre refractive index aitu. Hauda? So this is nothing but it is the also ratio of V1 by V2. It is V1 by V2. We also can write this equation as, in terms of lambda, we can write it is lambda 1 divided by lambda 2 is equal to V1 by V2 is equal to V1 by V2. So V1 by V2 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, mu ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. So it is nothing but mu by 1. Therefore it will be option C or option A. Correct? Yes. So option C ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಆಯ್ತಾ, option A ಬರಲ್ಲ, option C ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So ನೀವು ಯಾವಾಗ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ತರ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವಾಗೂ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಆಗೋ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಬಿ ವೆರಿ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್, ಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ರೇಷಿಯೋಸ್ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಬಿ ವೆರಿ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ ಇಸ್ ರೈಟ್. Okay, the next slide, next question is, a monochromatic beam of light passes from a denser medium into a rarer medium. As a result, its velocity increases, its velocity decreases, its frequency decreases, its wavelength decreases. Yes, a monochromatic beam of light passes from a denser medium into a rarer medium. Which one? Option A, its velocity increases. B, velocity decreases. Yes, Harshita, Damini, Danamma. Yes, correct here. That is option A, its velocity increases. Correct agide. Option A correct agide. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಡೆನ್ಸರ್ ಟು ರೇರರ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಂ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ its velocity increases. Okay, so here this is one, again the another set of questions. Now we have the next concept, that is rays and optical instruments, spherical mirrors. Idr mele questions barutte namge iga. Here is our first question. A convex mirror of focal length f forms an image which is 1 by n times the object. The distance of the object from the mirror is. Yes, we need to solve this one. Hauda, idanna solve madana. Here I take it as the image is 1 by n times that of the object anta kottidare avaru illi. Okay, we also know that the magnification is given by, for the mirror it is minus v divided by u. Howda, it is minus v divided by u. So let us simplify this equation. Idanna simplify ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 1 by n is equal to minus v by u. So if I simplify, I can just interchange this equation. Idanna interchange ಮಾಡಿ ನಾನು ಯಾವ ತರ ಬರಿಬಹುದು, I can write it as what, that is v is equal to, so this is v is equal to minus u by n. It is minus u by n. Yes. Okay, all are saying that it is option C. So let us see. Option A. So prove madana. That is, we need to use the mirror formula here. The mirror formula is given by what? That is 1 by F is equal to 1 by U plus 1 by V. So we can substitute the value of V here. So we can substitute the value of V. What is the value of V? Namge ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಇದು minus U by N ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. 1 by U as it is idana. So if I simplify this, the answer will be option D. It is option D. Yes. So who all have given answer option D is right? Kamini ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ? Lohit. Yes. Is right. ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ magnification is equal to 1 minus V by U. That formula we need to use. ಮತ್ತೆ mirror formula 1 by F is equal to 1 by U plus 1 by V. Option D is correct here. Let us go for the next question. ಮುಂದಿನ question ನೋಡೋಣ. A diminished virtual image can be formed only in a diminished virtual image can be formed only in concave mirror, convex mirror, plano parabolic, concave parabolic mirrors. Yes. Here the diminished virtual images are formed by the, yes, very good, Lohit. That is option C, convex mirror. Convex mirror inda namge diminished virtual images form agutte. Aita? Our next question. Which of the following could not produce a virtual image? Virtual image yavadu form madalla anta. Which could not produce a virtual image? Plane mirrors, convex mirrors, concave mirrors, all the above can produce a virtual image. Which is right? Yes. Praveen, Danamma, Chandana, all are saying it as option D. How the plane mirror, convex mirror, concave mirror ellanu virtual image produce ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? Yes or no? Correct. That is option D is right. That is plane mirror alli convex ಮತ್ತೆ concave ಎಲ್ಲ mirror ಇಂದನು ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? Virtual image produce ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, then the next question. An object 5 centimeter tall is placed 1 meter from a concave spherical mirror. So object 5 centimeter du height ಇದೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? 1 meter ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Which has a radius of curvature of 20 centimeter. So our value is given. The size of the image is 0.5 So here what we do, we have the object distance as minus 1 meter. Object distance is minus 1 meter. And the focal length is radius of 20 centimeter. The focal length it will be half of the value, that is minus 10 centimeter. Okay. Minus is coming. Then formula 1 plus V is equal to 1 by F. Now you hear me. In the question, an object 5 centimeter tall is reached. Share it once again. Not able to see the screen. PPT visible? Okay, I hope now it is clearly visible. So we were solving this, that is u is equal to the object distance is minus 1 meter and f is equal to minus 10 centimeter. We are using the mirror equation, that is 1 by u plus 1 by v is equal to 1 by f. So we are substituting the value of object distance and we will get the image distance as minus 100 divided by 9. This is the image distance value. But they are asking the size of the image. Therefore, the size of the image is given by magnification formula, that is minus v by u is equal to height of the image to the height of the object anta barutte. Hauda? So what is this v value? We have just now calculated. It is minus 100 divided by 9. And what about the object distance? So in terms of centimeter, it will be 100 centimeter. Yes. So if I simplify this, H2 value, object height is given. Object height ಏನಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? Object height is 5 centimeter. So ನೀವು ಈಗ ಏನು simplify ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ? Image height simplify ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. That is HI is equal to, so here the 100 will get cancelled. Okay, so it will be minus 5 divided by 9. So minus 5 divided by 9 is how much it is? It is 0.55. Option C is correct. Option C is correct. Yes? Okay. A focal length of a concave mirror is 50 centimeter, where an object be placed so that its image is 2 times and inverted. So the focal length of concave mirror is given as 50 centimeter. This is given as 50 centimeter. Howda? F is equal to 50 centimeter. Then next, your magnification is twice. Therefore, I'll write it as m is equal to v by u is equal to 2. Therefore, v is equal to, it is 2 into u. And the image is twice of the object. Therefore, the mirror equation is 1 by f is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v. So, substitute the value of v. It is 1 by 2u. So, simplify this. What we are going to get? They are giving you the value of f as 50. They have given the value of f as 50. It will be 75 centimeter. Yes, very good. 75 centimeters. So here you simplify this and calculate u is equal to, you will get it as 75 centimeter. Option A is correct here, students. Okay. Then the next question. An object of size 7.5 centimeter is placed in front of a convex mirror of radius of curvature 25 centimeter at a distance of 40 centimeter. The size of the image should be, the size of the image should be, yes, it is option B, 1.78 centimeter. Yes, correct it is. So how to do this one? I'll give you the hint that is given as the height of the object to the height of the image is equal to, here we have the formula f divided by f minus u, f divided by f minus u. So I'll substitute, that is I as it is, the object height is, it is 7.5, which is equal to 25 by 2, because radius of curvature is given as 25 centimeter. The focal length will be half of the value, 25 divided by 2, and the whole divided by f value again 25 by 2 minus u value. So u value is 40 centimeter it is given. So it is minus 40 centimeter, which is equal to, we need to simplify this equation for I is equal to. So here everybody is getting the answer, that is option B, 1.78 centimeter, 1.78 centimeter. Okay. Then another 3 questions we have, then we can go for the previous year questions. Okay, the next question is, the field of view is maximum for. So the field of view is maximum for plane mirrors, concave mirrors, convex mirrors, cylindrical mirrors. It is for convex. Yes, correct. So for the convex mirror yenagatte, we will get the maximum view. That is option C is correct. Then the next question, here we need to solve this. The focal length of a concave mirror is f, and the distance from the object to the principal focus is x. Howda? So the distance of the object from the principal focus is how much it is, x, and the focal length is f. The ratio of the size of the image to the size of the object, andre magnification. Matte illenu magnification keltidare. We need to simplify. Yes, it is option B. Okay, so I'll show you how to solve this. Just the hint again I'll give. So who yari gottilla avaru note down madkobodu. So many students are giving the answer. That is, the object distance will be minus into bracket f plus x, minus into bracket f plus x. The formula, mirror formula is what? 1 by v plus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. Howda? ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ object distance ಅನ್ನು ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, it is 1 by v minus 1 divided by f plus x ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬಹುದು, which is equal to minus 1 by f. It is minus 1 by f. Okay, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ, v is equal to, so 1 by v is equal to, ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ, you will get it as option B. Option B is correct. Yes, so all are getting the answer. Very good. Image formed by a convex mirror is virtual, real, enlarged, inverted. ಯಾವುದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ? ಕಾನ್ವೆಕ್ಸ್ ಮಿರರ್ ಅದ್ದು ಇಮೇಜ್ ಯಾವ ತರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ? ವರ್ಚುವಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತಾ, ರಿಯಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತಾ, ಎನ್ಲಾರ್ಜ್ಡ್ ಇರುತ್ತಾ, ಇನ್ವರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇರುತ್ತಾ? Yes, Lohit is saying it is virtual. Abhishek, Rupa, Damini, Chandana, yes, very good here. That is, see, convex mirror alli namak bari erade case barutte. The image formed will be virtual always, but concave mirror alli enagatte 5 cases alli nimage real image barutte. Only in one case you will get the virtual image. Remember that in the convex mirror the image formed is always virtual. Then the last question here, After that, the previous year questions we will discuss. Nodi, a concave mirror experiment. In a concave mirror experiment, an object is placed at a distance x1 from the focus. Howda? And the image is formed at a distance of x2 from the focus. So from the focus, the object and the images are at a distance of x1, x2. The focal length of the mirror would be. So the focal length kelta idare. How to do this one? That is given as u is equal to, again it is u is equal to the object distance is minus x1 plus f and the image distance is minus x2 plus f. Howda? So you can go with the formula, that is 1 by v plus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. So option C anta ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Option C or option B? Damini is saying option B. Yes, option B baratte illi students. Illi nodi, u is equal to minus into bracket x1 plus f. V is equal to minus into bracket x1 plus f. So mirror equation prakara ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 by v plus 1 by v value ಅನ್ನು substitute ಮಾಡಿ simplify ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? f is equal to option B you will get. Option B ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಆಯ್ತಾ? You need to take the LCM. LCM ತಗೊಂಡು cross multiplication ಮಾಡಿ simplify ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ. I hope everybody is getting the answer. So this is a hint, you can continue it later. Option B is right. Okay, so now we will discuss some previous year questions. Here the question is there which is asked in Karnataka CET, that is in the year of 2015. So 2015 I'll carry the question ide nodi. So 2015, 19 I'll tell you all the questions. So the fifth question is, so let's see who will answer this one. A person wants a real image of his own. A person wants his real image of his own 3 times enlarged. So ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ x ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಅದ್ದು ನಮಗೆ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಅದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಇರಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ರಿಯಲ್ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ 3 times of that. Where should he stand in front of a concave mirror? So ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ concave mirror ಇದೆ and the radius of curvature is given as 30 centimeter. The question is clear to you or should I repeat it once again? So a person is there and he is standing in front of a concave mirror. He wants his image should be 3 times enlarged one. So that where he should stand in front of the mirror, where the radius of curvature of the mirror is 30 centimeter. Question artha aita? If you want me to repeat the question, I'll repeat. Aita? Okay. So here what they are saying, you require 3 times enlarged image. How to solve? Yes, everybody understood the question. So this is asked in 2015. How we will solve this? So here the solution is, the focal length is given as what? The radius of curvature half value andre minus 15 centimeter ನಮ್ದು ಏನ್ ಬಂತು radius of curvature ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಹೌದಾ. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಐ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ದ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಆಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾನ್ಕೇವ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. The magnification should be 3 times of that. ಹೌದಾ, this much it is given. So the magnification for mirror, it is what is the formula? Minus v divided by u ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. m is equal to 3 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, which is equal to minus u divided by, it is minus x, minus u divided by minus x, which is equal to v is equal to, it should be 3x. So ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದ್ ಏನ್ ಬಂತು, v is equal to 3x ಅಂತ ಬಂತು. Next ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, I'll use the mirror equation, that is 1 by v plus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. Okay, so 1 by v ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 by 3x ಅಂತ ಆಗತ್ತೆ, plus 1 by u ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 by minus x ಅಂತ ಆಗತ್ತೆ, is equal to 1 divided by minus 15. So we require 10 is equal to, students ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ 10 is equal to? Yes, very good. Chandana, Lohit, Damini, any other students? Lohit, yes, very good. It is 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter answer is correct here. I hope the solution is clear to everyone. So one more question. A plain glass is placed over a various colored letters. So it is asked in 2016 Karnataka CET. A plain glass is placed over a various colored letter. So ಯಾವ್ದಾವ್ದು colored letter ಅಂತಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ violet ಇದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ, violet, then green and the yellow and the red. ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಇರೋ ಕಲರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. The letter which appears to be raised more. So you have the different colored letters. A plain glass is placed over on that. The letter which appears to be raised more. So ಯಾವ್ದು raised more ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಮೇನ್ ಎದ್ದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ. Violet, green, yellow or red. Any idea? It is asked in 2016. Yes, what is your answer? Red. So I'll repeat the question. You have a plain glass over a various colored letter. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ for example ABCD ಅಂತ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Those all the letters are in the color of violet, green, yellow ಮತ್ತೆ red ಅಲ್ಲಿ. In among that, which color appears to be raised more ಅಂತ question ಇದೆ ಆಯ್ತಾ. So here Harshita, many students are saying it as red. Yes, it is red. Everybody is saying red. It is violet, students. Violet. Okay, violet baratte, not red. Violet is the correct answer here. Okay, violet, green, yellow, red alli violet will be appearing you with more raised one. Okay, because of the less wavelength. ನೀವು ಹೇಗೆ think ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ, more bright ಆ ತರ think ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರಬಹುದು ನೀವು. So it is reciprocal, inversely proportional ಆಗತ್ತೆ. So it is option A ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Option A is red, option B is yellow, option C is green, option D is violet ಅಂತ. So option D, violet is the correct answer. Okay. So in the next class we will continue with the wave optics lesson. Thank you students. Have a good day.